Hello everybody, I'm Tommila. Welcome back to the channel. This is Honda Films, the place you come to learn about photography and all things RC. Today I have a very special treat for you guys. We're going to be unboxing this right here, the brand new Corvette 4Tech 3.0 from Traxxas. This thing is so new. This is the demo model. So thank you very much to Hobby and RC for letting me use this for the video we're about to make. So it goes out to them, and shouts out to Traxxas for making this awesome car, and see what it looks like when we unbox it. So let's get to the video. Okay, so this is the brand new 4Tech 3.0. We're going to be unboxing it today. I'm very, very thankful that I got to do this video. I'm very thankful to Hobby and RC for letting us unbox it today. It'd be great. I'm really happy that we got it sitting here and we're unboxing this here for the store. It's going to be great. We got it sent into the store a couple of days ago, and now we're going to sit here and unbox it for you guys to see how beautiful this car is. So, this thing comes with this thing are some pretty authentic scale details come with this car. I'm pretty impressed. It's got, you know, molded headlights on here for they're molded LED ready headlights that come in this car. They have the molded brake calipers on the side of it as well, and they have molded side air intakes. Not to mention they also have the chrome tipped exhausts and the LED ready tail lights. So this is the only thing that's pretty much different between this and the 2.0 is that this is a lot longer. Our parts are longer, so it's going to be different parts. So they're not going to be interchangeable. So if you're thinking that you have a 2.0 and you want to upgrade to 3.0 and still they'll swap parts, you probably won't be able to because of the size of difference of this car itself. So let's get to unboxing it. All right, there she is out of the box, and it is gorgeous. Oren, what is the one thing that's missing from this car that was on the 2.0?
No body clips.
Exactly. Kid's smart as hell right there. No body clip design on this thing is amazing. You see that the car here just looks really, really nice. They did a lot of good detail on the light system here. Windshield wipers. You can see here the engine itself is in awesome detail for the engine in the back. All right, so how you take this thing off? How you take this, flip this body design off? First of all, this button that's right here. You're gonna push that button right there, and there's another button right there. You're gonna push that button at the same time, and you're gonna unlock the car. I want to show off this body here real fast. Okay, look at this body, and then look at the inside of it. All that stuff's ready to rock and roll. You got your LED lights here, right there, that have screws in them. They're ready to be replaced with the LED light system there, as well as up here as well. And I'm thinking probably right here in the rear of the car itself, there's gonna be some tail lights right there, and a lighting system that will come with this car, which will make it really cool. So my prediction is this will come with some pretty cool light setups in it. All right, so looking at the car here, it looks like we come with a standard, the 550 12-turn brush engine here, with the XL5 ESC as well. What kind of batteries can be used in this thing? Well, you can use the NIM batteries, or you can go up to a 2-cell LiPo battery. We're gonna take it out today. We're gonna put a 2-cell LiPo battery in this thing, and we're gonna see how good she runs. Take a look at how the clipless body system actually attaches to the car. It's pretty cool. You got one here, one here, one here, and one here. And all you gotta do with the car, just literally put the car, if you want to ready to rock, you'll put your battery in, you're ready to go. Take your car, and you literally pop it on. And she's ready to rock and roll. Okay, so another thing to note that's different, a lot different from this, is that it has its wing right here in the front of the car. And believe me, I think this wing is the only thing this wing is good for is will obviously keeping the front end down, but it's really good about scooping up little rocks and shoving them into your car. So when we're done with this car and we're not to use the car, we have a lot of rocks floating around inside the car itself from the park, just using it in the parking lot. We're gonna get the basic things right here, basic package that comes with Traxxas right here in the front. Comes with spacers for your shocks, obviously, and then it comes with stickers, comes with your warranty card here, comes with the book and manual, which is something you should probably read and really digest what goes on here, because a lot of problems can be fixed just by reading the manual and not having to come into your local hobby store and take up time there. All right, so that's the end of this video. Special thank you to Hooked Hobby Nerd C and to Traxxas for letting us out this demo model out here to go out here and enjoy and bash around and have some fun with it. This thing is incredibly awesome. My final thoughts are, I think it's a very good car. I think it's goes pretty fast. It doesn't flip over at all. I've tried to flip it over, don't flip over. So it stays pretty well to the ground. It does pretty good straight lines. Thank you very much again. Let me unbox this video. If you're watching this video again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that Patreon link and be a Patreon and help support the channel that way as well. So anyway, thank you very so much. I'm Taylor Tommila. Have fun bashing and crashing.